Today we have the 2021 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full black leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. On the touchscreen, we can access ambient lighting, valet mode, full pass connect, Apple CarPlay, emergency assistance, navigation, Bluetooth and mobile apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. This Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control, and 3 different driving modes to choose from.